Welcome to this video. I will show my results at High Point Marketing with the partner network AI.MARKETIng network. That's all just madness. My friends, I am got back to Hype Remarketing on the 6th last September 2020. I started to talk about it on November 1st 2020 and today is November 11th January 2021 and watch friends, in terms of advertising budgets, I'm already at $10,082 advertising budget. So I invested in everything for everyone in terms of budget advertisement for $1,800 out of pocket. So I started with $100 and I added, as I went up to $1,800 out of my pocket, and not only generate a cash as you go, manage bought permanently, and I am arrived today said 1080 of dollars of advertising budget. They saw their output. Is a sick thing, always have always, so he rides it go up, go up, go up because I'm reacting advertising channel. With my case, I had permanently available a permanently. So if we can go see in stats and statistics, so he spent about $5,500 imaginary dollars and $9,814 of cash back, you see, so I still have a margin again so that he brings me more cash back. So I remind you of the cash back. It is according to the sales that he has carried out with these aggregators. Therefore, who will make sales, and well, each farmer at his own pole, cash back, and we are paid back to us. In fact, 55% of that cashback rate of the aggregator, and also depending on the amount of sale made by the buyer by the customer who bought the product on this agreement platform. So that's the cashback that we in fact automatically perceives in the part in progress here. Okay, so there I have $5,908. I am guaranteed they will get into my cashback. Okay, and I remember you, I have $1,800 of advertising budget. My pocket, and I still have $5,908. Yes, so that's really huge from home standards. Therefore, the moderation period, which ranges from 3 days to 80 days, and as soon as they are reached and are finished, and well, every time it's fine, go up on your available cash back as the deadlines for moderation are completed for each agreement, aggregator for each sale. Okay, so suddenly, every day me personally, I receive the cashback. You will see it's a thing of sick, seating statistics. Here all the days I collect more than $200 cash back to since January 5th, and I was less than $200 until January 4th 2021, and from January 5th, I'm over $200 in cash back, which are in fact being donated to the total turn of the move in the part and country courses. So that's really huge, and judged cash back nerves available every days between $100 and $150 in cash back available. So if I want, I can withdraw every day in fact, but between $100 and $150 every days. Okay, but me, what I do, it's that I have my own strategies, all I look into cash back, and well, I react as automatically all the time. On the other hand, everything who is in loss and am on CNBC Point Network, so the losses are the commissions generated by my partners direct when they buy advertising, but also on indirect, well, her freedom. She manages shooting okay, but all that is cash back available at High Point Marketing. Boom, managed by from Rachel Frechette. Okay, so here it is, and it is what makes today on my yield in fact, and it goes up, go up, it goes up. It goes up. And so my advice that I could give you, it's really to buy the most possible advertising budget cash back with your cash back available from then on, that you said minimum dollars soon. When you have $10 our cash back of all buy. Then, of course, if you have taken the gift voucher, there are conditions. As you know, you must refund 50 gift voucher dollars, and then, once you have $100 in your cash back available, this is where you will be able to claim withdrawal or reacted to advertising, but not before. Okay. So if you use that, the gift you will make, the party buy advertising with your own money or at Bend, people at Point Marketing for then, since you had to sow the $100 in our cash back power RPT and buy advertisements. Withdraw us, okay, but if you do not use the gift voucher, you have these $10 minimum purchase or withdrawal agreement. Then, after the same gift voucher, you have for the first time $100 and then it's $10. Okay, but if you do not accept the gift voucher, is $10 minimum. There are no terms of agreement, so here it is on yen towards there, it's huge from huge. The generated ag I made $99,000 of turnover is a sick. Since the first sale, so I spoke about it on November 1, 2020, it's January 11, 2021 in 2 months and a half all you see that makes $99,018 turnover dollars. I am so there they have a principal agent, but it's director, I believe, in those responsible for lead file at 19.5%. Therefore, the judge generates 10.5% losses and am sure, but on my direct partners as soon as they buy advertising in agreement and in indirect, this is the second day and very embarrassed with $81,675 of figure. So on my partners, direct not only on indirect partners, agree and there it is on all partners, direct plus indirect. So this is really huge and I read the bounty NB at $2,500. So I got the bonus of $100, $500, $1,500 and $2,500 okay and that's what makes that today, I arrive at a meaningful advertising budget, because when we went NBS premiums deducted, it will get you in the balance of ads. In addition, okay, so it's really huge, you can make a career at Yon B, Point Network I'll let you watch the video on school commissions and generate of what they offer in terms of commissions is simply phenomenal of old marketing skins. I have never seen that we are in the online advertising and cashback and artificial intelligence. Believe me, dark friends. Here we are really in the real economy. It's huge me. I withdraw my peers. In fact, like I said earlier, I withdraw my pairs yours every days, in fact, and I perceive between $50 and $150 in losses and love all days. In fact that I withdraw, it is really huge from huge, so we'll have one sheer curtains and one still two $1,000 NBA dollars to get into the ad balance. So it's $1,000 per week. So therefore I stop $2,000 of more beautiful. It will make me $12,000. Advertising budget was going to go. Let your orders, it's really huge, but it's huge from our home ouch, pure marketing. So if you don't not yet seen the presentation video, so I will let you watch it one from hype, concepts to marketing the link is under the video. If you unsubscribe it is not yet registered. The link is find under the video, a description hop. You landed on the capture page, you click on the roll to the brain, to register Roger this Father Mao and you complete the registration form and then you just go to buy publicity and your work is your robot will get to work. 48 hours after this between 48 hours, 72 hours after it, will go into your advertising budget and will start to make sales here are the elites. So that's all for this video anyway. Here I am excited by AI.MARKETING Marketing. Remember in April 2021 he will have a cashback conference in Hong Kong. So if you can you move so I think there are conditions against the yen of points network to the status. You will have the more you will have a high status, so there we can see the statutes of partnership here. Sailboats, including you start as a partner and more you will pass the levels so in having a turnover. Therefore, in talk around you and well, you are generated a high turnover and you will be able to throw less reach. Partnership. Status, plus status will be superior and I think they will put a minimum of status for the cashback conference. Therefore, for the will say for the most deserving here, it is and end of year 2021 we will have a physical cashback card. So here is the year 2021 for iPhone marketing. If you are there, it will be truly exceptional, exciting to all points of view. You need marketing. Frankly, it's the home bomb good but agreed. That's all for this video and I say ciao.